All right, so we've pre-treated this a little bit with some foaming cleaner. I've also put some solution, warm water into here. Now all we're supposed to have to do is turn this on and it can start sucking. I can also push the button here and make chemical come out. Let's go ahead and do that. I can turn it off. And then now I can use this to start sucking it out. And if I want to put more water in it, I can, or more solution with water. Clarify. All right, so we basically emptied out that side where the solution is, and then look at that. All out of that one chair. Now, it's not perfectly clean yet, but all the brown, most of the brown is gone. This car had sat for a while to use car lot and hasn't been taken care of, and so I'm trying to get it clean for my daughter.